Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Learning to speak English fluently and confidently is not at all easy. It is a long process, it takes time, it takes a lot of patience as well, and it takes lots and lots of practice. Do you agree with me? Yes, I'm sure you'll agree with me. But the one mistake we do here is we take a lot of stress in this process. We always start thinking we are not improving, and we again start pushing ourselves to learn the language. Okay, and in the process of pushing ourselves into it completely doesn't help us. It gives a very negative outcome at times, and the outcome is we feel stressed, we feel negative about situation, we tend to give up, we start thinking very low about ourselves, so our self-esteem, our self-confidence, everything goes down at this stage. Okay, so that is why the first thing what we have to do is we should never push ourselves hard. Okay, that is one thing which we have to do. And what else you can do to make your journeys de-stressed or entertaining or enjoyable and easy to learn, I am going to take up in this video. So if you are dealing with stress of learning the language at the earliest, or you're stressed of not learning the language quickly, or not speaking the language, or not picking up the language quickly, then this video is for you. And if you're feeling lost in the process, this video is for you. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you want to get out of the situation, if you want to get out of your stress and start working in the right direction to speak English fluently and confidently, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section. And don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay connected, stay tuned, and watch my entire video to master this skill. So today I'm going to take up another interesting topic which is for your benefit, and I'm going to talk about how to de-stress yourself in the process of learning to speak English fluently and confidently. I agree with it. I completely understand, and I have been in this situation where I also started getting stressed out just because I was not able to pick up the language or pick up English speaking, and I really felt exhausted and frustrated. So I've also been through this process and I know how it feels, and we all at some point of time starts feeling this, start getting this stress, right? Of not learning to speak, of not being able to speak English fluently and confidently. And we start thinking whether we should start giving up, or it's just not our cup of tea. Before thinking this, try these things. Before giving up or before coming to the conclusion, check out my video and see if these points can help you or not. Let's get started with today's video. It's going to be very interesting, guys. Stay tuned. So basically, it's not about learning a language. Today's life is such that we are so busy that we don't get time to relax. And that is why we get stressed very quickly. And when you're stressed out, there are lots of things which happens in your body, in your system. And you start getting a lot of diseases as well. So stress is the most common reason of developing a lot of diseases like blood pressure or sugar or a lot of other things. Gut-related diseases or stomach-related disease, and so on. So stress is the main reason why we start developing many diseases. We start inviting a lot of diseases. So whether it is the learning process or any other process, whenever we start getting stressed, what should we do to de-stress ourselves? I understand it's not easy for us to take out time and go out on a vacation or start spending family time together. It gets difficult because you have to prioritize something. Your job is your priority, and to take out time in a 9 to 6 schedule is very difficult. Okay, so I'm going to come up with some ways of de-stressing yourself. At any point of time when you feel stressed, you can just try these things. The first one is talk about your problem. Yes, whatever thing is disturbing you, whatever is there in your head, whatever is there in your mind, speak up. You can speak with your family members. If not, if you can't speak with your family members, go to your friend and speak up. Okay, we all have that one best friend, right, with whom we discuss things. We do have one cousin with whom we speak about anything and everything, right? So we can just start speaking about things. That is the best way. And if you don't have anybody, you should always find one, right? Somebody who can be your best friend, or somebody who can be a go-to person to talk about your problems. So this is very important, talking about it. If you start taking stress and keeping things in your mind to yourself, it is definitely going to build up every single day. It's not gonna go away on its own. So that is why this is very important. You have to speak about it, discuss about it with people, whoever you are comfortable with. Try to find one person whom you can talk to about it. Okay, this is what psychiatrists do. They help you with your problems. They just listen to you, right? And then they provide some solutions also. So if we start speaking on our own with somebody, with our family or friends or anybody else who we feel comfortable with, it will be better for us, right? We don't have to seek a doctor's help or anybody else's help. So we can start venting out. We should start venting out our problems, our tensions, our stress. That is the best way we need to de-stress ourselves. Whether it is the language learning process or anything else, whatever is in your life, you have to speak up, talk about it. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second thing is, we can include some exercises like yoga or deep breathing or anything else which helps us in de-stressing ourselves, right? There are lots of small exercises which are there which helps us in de-stressing ourselves. You can do meditation, you can do yoga, you can listen to some spiritual talks, right? So there are many things which are available on YouTube also, or you can find it on the internet which can help you. You can just listen to these things. It will calm you down, it will bring peace to your mind, and it will definitely de-stress yourself. So 5 minutes or 10 minutes, take out time to do some meditation or yoga or some exercise or listening to some spiritual talks. This is really going to help you. Trust me on this. In this world, which is full of stress and full of competition, we really need to find out time, 5-10 minutes to relax ourselves so that we can start thinking in the right direction. We can recollect our thoughts and start taking it to the right direction. That is very much required. And meditation or yoga or doing some, exercise or listening to some spiritual talks really helps in this stage, at this stage. And you are definitely going to collect your thoughts and put it in the right direction instead of going in the wrong direction or in a negative direction. Okay, so try that. This is also going to help you. Third one is, do something which you love doing, just to divert yourself. If you're feeling stressed at some point of time, do something which helps you to overcome that stress or divert your mind or your thought from there to something else. Like if you love cooking, go and cook something good which will lift your mood. Of course, good food always, acts as a remedy. It helps us to lift our mood. So you can do some cooking. Whatever you like, whatever you feel like doing. So if you enjoy cooking, you can just go to the kitchen and start doing something which will help you to divert your mind or divert your attention and lift up your mood. Or if not, you can do some dance, you can listen to some good music, you can watch some good movie, you can go out for shopping, go out for a walk, talk to a friend, whatever helps, whatever you are interested in doing, whatever you love doing, you enjoy doing, you can start doing that. Okay, just to divert your attention, divert your mind, divert your thoughts in a positive way, in a constructive way. Okay, so start getting involved in these activities. For sometimes you will forget everything and then you will feel good, positive and re-energized and de-stressed. So this is another activity which you can start including in your life when you start feeling stressed out. Okay, this is really going to help you. It helps me a lot. Trust me on this. I do it. The fourth one is family. Family is very important in all our lives, in everyone's life, right? Everybody's life. So what we can do is we can start spending some family time together. We can go out for lunch or dinner, or we can prepare a good lunch or dinner at home and we can start having it together. Or we can start playing some games or watching some movie or doing anything together. This is something which we need to do it with our family, with our closed ones, our kids, a spouse, or anybody else, parents, grandparents, whoever is there at home. So this is a collective activity. You can start spending family time together, whatever helps. Start playing a game, start watching a movie or a series or anything else what you want to. Or you can just start cooking together and eating together. Try to spend some time together. That is another constructive way of de-stressing yourself. Or go out on a vacation with family, right? Or go out for shopping with family, or go out for a coffee, anything, whatever you like. So spending family time together also helps you to bond with the family and relax yourself. And it relaxes you and de-stresses you. And it relieves stress also. So this is another thing which you can do, because nowadays we don't get much of the family time. We get so tired after coming from office that we eat, we just talk a bit and then we go to sleep, right? So instead of that, we can start coming up with some engagement, something like playing a game together, or watching something together, or cooking something together and eating together. So we can do this activity once in a while and we can de-stress ourselves. Okay, and we can talk to our family about whatever situation we are facing or whatever problems we are having. Okay, so this is another thing. Fifth one is we need to keep ourselves engaged. Now, how we keep ourselves engaged? It's not about, we have to work the whole time, just to stop those thoughts, we need to work. No, engage yourself in a constructive way, in a very positive and relaxing way. So what you can do is you can start reading a book whenever you have a free time. Whatever genre you love or like, you take that book and you start reading a book. Okay, if you don't want to read, you can start listening to audiobooks. There are a huge collection of audiobooks available on YouTube, on Audible, on and other sites. So you can find out that. So there are lots of audiobooks also available. You can listen to those audiobooks. Okay, so whoever is your favorite author or whatever kind of book you like, you just start listening to. By reading or listening to books, you get a lot of good positive energy. I feel listening to autobiographies or motivational books really helps me to come up with new ideas and get energy to compete in this world, right? So whenever you will listen to such kind of books, you will feel energetic, you will start getting new ideas and you will feel motivated enough to fight. So that is why reading book is very important. And I love reading book. That is the best way you can engage your brain, your mind from getting negative or from coming up with negative thoughts and increasing our stress. That will help you to de-stress and re-energize, rejuvenate and motivate you to achieve your goals or to do things in life, to do new things in life, or to challenge yourself to help you with new ideas and to challenge yourself to do something better in life. Okay, so these are the 5 things which really has helped me to de-stress myself in this busy schedule or in this busy world or in this competitive world. We all face this problem, right, of being stressed, whether it is our career or studies or anything else, right? There are lots of things which add to our stress. So for anybody and everybody, these 5 things will be really helpful in de-stressing you and coming up with new ideas and with a positive mindset and keep going ahead with new ideas, new thoughts, and constructive mindset. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.